Can you have two different types of COVID vaccine? At the moment, you need 2 doses of the same COVID vaccine, whether it's Pfizer, AstraZeneca or Moderna. But in the future, it's possible that you might not always get the same for both shots. The Oxford Vaccine Group have already been testing whether Pfizer can be mixed with AstraZeneca, but now they're looking at whether you can mix and match Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca and Novavax vaccines. But is it safe to mix and match?
So far, the studies that we've already done have raised no safety concerns, which is good, and they've been very carefully monitored from that point of view. So I think that gives us some reassurance moving into the next stage of this study.
How will the study work? They're hoping to recruit over 1,000 volunteers over 50 who recently had a dose of either AstraZeneca or Pfizer. Some will be given the same shot again, and some will be given a different one to see if there are any adverse reactions and how mixing impacts the immune system. But it's not to figure out which vaccine is the most effective. Have other vaccines been mixed before?
For the Ebola vaccines that have been approved, one schedule uses a mixed schedule where you've got having a viral vector vaccine for the first dose and a different type of viral vector vaccine for the second dose.
Dose mixing is also being used in Russia's COVID vaccine.
For the Sputnik 5 vaccine at the moment, they are using 2 different viral vector vaccines in their combination, so they've already got a mixed schedule there. So it's not that new.
So what could mixing vaccines mean? If it's proved that mixing gives the same results with no adverse effects, it could potentially allow more people to complete their COVID immunisation course more quickly.
Knowing that it would be really helpful to have flexibility, that we're not locked into the same vaccine for the first and second dose, that if there is an issue with supply, or if the recommendations change in one age group, then we can have other options available to us.
The researchers are expecting the first results soon, but the whole study will last a year, and if it does show promising results, regulators would then need to review the safety and efficacy before any new vaccination regime is approved for patients. So there won't be any mixing and matching in the UK anytime soon.